Start. Tell me about yourself, Madhu.
Yes, good evening, sir. I am Madhu Kumari Sinha. Uh, I'm married with Mr. BK Sinha. I belong to Gaya, Bihar, but I currently live in Aurangabad, Bihar. I have bachelor degree from Magadh University, Bodh Gaya, Bihar. I have done many backend and front-end tools. I have a skill of the backend C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, ASP.NET, Ambly, IDEO.NET, SQL Server, and etc. And in a front end, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, React.js. And
Oh,
I like listening music and reading book. That's all about
okay, so JavaScript is a basically front-end technology.
yes.
It is front-end and SQL Server is back-end.
Right.
Okay, what is meaning of open source? What do you mean by open source?
Open source means it is free of cost available for educational purpose and also business purpose.
On for commercial purpose. Okay, very right. What is use of CLR, Madhu, in .NET framework? What is the use of CLR?
CLR stand for Common Language Runtime. It is a basic and a virtual machine component of the .NET framework. It provide a runtime execution
It does
and
not exist physically, right? Physically, it
yes,
does not exist. Okay, so it is used to manage all the resources like execution management, thread management, memory management, etc. Okay,
I can say it is a manager.
okay. Have you heard about garbage collection in .NET framework? What is the use of garbage collection?
Garbage collector automatic provide a memory management feature with the
It
help of
for
CLR.
okay. Suppose that we want to just call by force memory management technique. Is there any methods to call?
Sir, please again repeat.
Yes, I don't want to call garbage collection automatic. If I will need a garbage collection at any time, I just want that this time memory should be freed. Is there any option to free that memory? Garbage collection provide two methods: dispose and finalize.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so using that method, you can free the memory on your demand, on your choice. By default, CLR is responsible for that. If memory is going to fill up, it will clear automatically. But if you want from your side, you can also do that. Okay, Madhu.
No.
Now tell me what is OOPS in C Sharp.
OOPS stand for Object Oriented Programming System, which has many feature like inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism,
Polymorphism. Okay.
class, object.
What do you mean by polymorphism?
Polymorphism means mm, one object can perform many tasks at the same time.
What are the types of polymorphism?
Two type,
Okay.
compile time and runtime.
So method overriding is a part of runtime or compile time.
It is a part of runtime.
Okay. So what do you mean by late binding and early binding?
Early binding means all the decision taken by compiler at compile time, and late binding all the some decision taken by compiler at runtime. It's called late
Okay.
binding.
So tell me the compilation and execution process of .NET framework. Suppose that you are using C Sharp and you want to
Yeah.
meet your code with the operating system, you want to communicate your code with the operating system. What is the process of compilation and execution?
When we create any program and application, then a language a specific compiler means dot CS
CSC.
compiler convert
CSC is a language specific compiler.
source code into MSIL code. After that, CLR provide internally JIT compiler
That
and
is
JIT
JIT.
compiler,
CLR.
JIT compiler,
Yes, CLR just
and
send message to JIT. JIT is a third party of compiler
third
which is
file
also
compiler.
available for Java compilation.
And
And
that
final
compiler convert MSIL code to native code.
native code. Okay, very nice. What is the full form of MSIL?
Microsoft Intermediate Language.
It is micro. What is the full form of CTS?
CTS Common Type System.
What is the use of CTS?
CTS it is responsible for understanding all the data type and converting into CLR under a stable format.
It is the subtype of CLR and responsible to
Yes.
handle type system. What are the type system? What are the types of data types, and what are the types data types in .NET framework?
Data type is a type of data which specify data uh, in a variable.
What is variable?
Variable is a memory allocation which contain some value.
What are the types of variables?
Variable types of two types, local and three type, local, global, and static.
Okay. What are the scope of a static variable? Can we declare inside method?
No, it is class declarative.
It is class declarative. Okay. So is there any default value of local variable? Suppose we are declaring num as an integer. So there would be any default value for that integer variable. If it is local,
Local,
yes,
no,
it is not. Can we specify public specifier if it is declared inside any method? Suppose that
public,
we are declaring a variable name that is anything, and we would like to add public specifier inside that method. Is it possible to add public specifier inside the method block for any members?
no,
It is not access. Okay. So by default, the membership class is public or private.
class private,
Okay,
member of
and by
class,
default only the class is, if I not about the members,
internal.
it is internal. What are the types of access specifiers?
Five types:
Okay,
private, protected, internal protected, and public.
tell me the names of access modifiers used in C sharp.
A static and
New
static.
new keyword, abstract, sealed. These are the modifiers.
Yes.
What are the types of classes in C sharp?
Class is five types: a simple class, abstract class, shield class, a static class, and a partial class.
Okay, can we create instance of interface in C sharp?
Interface. Sir, please again repeat.
Can we create instance of interface in C sharp?
No,
Okay, can we create instance of abstract class in C sharp?
instance. No,
Can we create instance of a static class in C sharp?
no.
Can we create instance of sealed class in C sharp? Is a static class inheritable?
A static class. No,
Is
it not
sealed
class.
class in that's does sealed class allow inheritance?
No.
What do you mean by inheritance?
Inheritance means code reusability.
It provides code visibility. What are the types of inheritance in C sharp?
Inheritance of four type: single inheritance, multi-level, hybrid, and hierarchical.
Okay, is there any way to use multiple inheritance in C sharp?
Yes, with the help of interface.
What do you mean by abstraction and encapsulation in C sharp?
Abstraction means show
Showing
mm,
essential part and hiding
show
non-essential.
essential part and hide unessential part.
Okay. What are the types of constructor, Madhu?
Constructor five type:
Tell me the name.
default,
Hmm.
parameterized constructor, copy
Hmm.
constructor, a static constructor, and a private constructor.
Okay, very nice. Okay. Can we overload a static constructor in C sharp?
No, because it is parameterless.
It is parameterless. Can we access the members of private constructor outside of class?
No, because it is private.
Okay. What is the use of constructor?
Constructor, it is inside the data member.
It is used to initialize data member. Okay. Your video is basically pausing. Is there problem of any network?
No, sir.
Okay. I just you are seeing me. I'm just moving either and thither. You are seeing me, but I'm just
Yes,
seeing you are just fix. You are static in the
yes,
mode.
sir. Of course, you have to fix.
Okay. So this time I think that there is a problem of network. Okay. Okay. So no problem, Madhu. Let's try the next time. So that's all for today. All the best.